Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this trapezoid ABDE fully confined in this quarter circle, as you can see in this given diagram, such that point B is the center of this quarter circle. And as a result, we are ended up with this green shaded region, as you can see. And moreover, this segment DE length is 3 units. Whereas this tiny CD segment length is 1 unit. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded region, this area and this area combined. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded region, and now let's make an observation. We can see that the green shaded region area is going to be equal to the whole quarter circle area minus the area of the trapezoid ABDE. So therefore now our task is to calculate the radius of this quarter circle first. And now in this next step, I am going to connect this center B with this point E, as you can see in this next step. And now let's focus on this right triangle BDE. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this BE is the radius of this quarter circle. So I'm going to label this one as lowercase r. And likewise, this AB side length is the radius as well. So this is going to be lowercase r, and likewise BC is the radius lowercase r as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this tiny segment CD length is 1. So therefore this segment BD length has got to be lowercase r minus 1. And now we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this right triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is lowercase r, whereas our two other sides are lowercase r minus 1 and 3. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got r minus 1 whole square plus 3 square equal to radius r square. And now let's recall this famous identity: a minus b whole square could be written as a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. And we are going to apply this identity on this binomial on the left hand side of this equation. So therefore we could write r square minus 2 times r plus 1 plus 9 equal to r square. And now we can see r square and r square, they are gone. So therefore we could write minus 2r plus 10 equal to 0. And now I'm going to move this 2r on the other side. So therefore we are ended up with 2 times r equals to 10. And I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate radius lowercase r. So therefore our radius lowercase r value simply turns out to be 5 units. So thus our radius lowercase r value turns out to be 5. So therefore this lowercase r value is going to be 5. This lowercase r value is 5. And likewise r minus 1 value is going to be 5 minus 1 is going to give us 4. So thus we could see that our this BD segment length turns out to be 4. And this side AB length is 5. And now we are going to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABDE. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to the height h times the sum of the bases a and b all over 2. And in our case, this side is the height of this trapezoid, whereas this side is our base lowercase a, and this side is our lowercase b, the base. So therefore, the area of this trapezoid is going to be our height h is 4. So I can write 4 divided by 2 times our bases are 5 and the other base is 3. And now we can see 4 divided by 2 reduces to 2 and 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So therefore we are ended up with 2 times 8, that is going to give us equal to 16 square units. And now we are going to calculate the area of this whole quarter circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi r square, where lowercase r is the radius of the circle. So therefore our quarter circle area is going to be simply pi divided by 4 times lowercase r square. And now we know our lowercase r value is 5. So therefore I'm going to substitute 5 value over here. So therefore we could write pi divided by 4 times 5 whole square. So that is going to give us equal to 25 pi divided by 4 square units. So thus the area of the quarter circle turns out to be 25 pi divided by 4. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded region. This area and this area combined. And now let's recall this equation once again. The green shaded region area must be equal to the quarter circle area minus the area of the trapezoid ABDE. And here our quarter circle area is 25 pi divided by 4 and our trapezoid area is 16. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So therefore our quarter circle area is 25 pi divided by 4 minus 16 square units. And in terms of decimal, that is going to be approximately equal to 3.635 square units as well. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded region turns out to be 25 pi divided by 4 minus 16 square units. And that's going to be approximately equal to 3.635 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.